are you doing, Takara? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're crazy. What are you doing, Takara? Don't break Uncle John's legs, please. What are you doing? You alright? What are you doing to Kara? What are you doing to her? You're goofy.
I don't know what to do with this balloon.
Let the balloon go and put the bubbles down. Tickle him back. What are you doing? You're a crazy kid. Careful! You're Kara. What are you doing? Wow. You want to go back in the tent?
Come on.
Give me the bubbles while you're in there, please. Thank you.
Ball fight. Woo! Ball fight.
Careful, that ball will hurt. Alright, say bye.
Bye.
William, say bye. William, say bye. Say bye to the camera, William. Say bye.
Bye, Tama.
Say, I'm going to go get ice cream.
Ice cream. Hello. These are all my bubbles. And William, because he brought them home. And I'm boiling them for him.